So guys, now we will be analyzing our JPY for the day. So before you go, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe. I just wanted to subscribe, by the way. So, and I want to also note that we are still on the 6th now. Our market is about to close for the day. We are still on the 6th and we are trying to do our analysis on the 7th. So price can actually move beyond where we've predicted, by the way. So I wanted to note that. Now we can see on our JPY, we are actually now on a 4 previous day. We see even a week throughout last week, we actually had a 4. If you watch my video, I was correct, by the way. We are going to be having a 4 and we actually got the 4. Today we actually had the 4. Yesterday we actually had the 4. So on the 7th, we are still going to be having a 4 on the 7th. That is exactly what I wanted to aim. We are still going to be having a 4. And when we actually got that push down, then on the 8th or on the 9th, then we actually now see that bullish move, which will come to retest this our area here, which we had a breakout, which our price can come out to retest it. But on the 7th, we will still be going bearish. So when we are going bearish, any pair relating to our JPY should actually be going bullish. That is exactly what I wanted to know. So now we can see on our CADJPY, you see we are actually bullish on our 4-hour time frame. We can see on our 1-hour time frame, we are still going bullish, by the way. So on the 7th, we are still going to be going bullish on our CADJPY. So if you want to take your buy position, I will advise you, when you wait for your price to come back to touch this our previous retracement, whereby where we had this retracement, our previous higher highs. This was our previous higher highs. Then we got our higher lows, then our new higher highs. But these are our previous higher highs. So our advice, wait to your price to come here to touch it, then you can actually not take your buy position. And if not, if you take your buy position, still no problem. If you are a swing trader, then you just take your buy position, probably set your stop loss around there, and aim to hit a lot of profits upward on our CADJPY. So on our CADJPY, we are still going bullish, by the way. On our 1-hour time frame too, we are still going bullish. You can see that our price is coming here to test this area. When it tests this area, we'll be seeing a bullish move continue upward. So above our CAD, we are still going bullish on our CADJPY. Next one is our Swiss franc JPY. I'm using this thing, 10 period moving average, by the way. So when my price is above my 10 period, I do take my trade. So prices are actually above 10 period moving average. So I wanted to know something about this Swiss franc JPY. This Swiss franc JPY can be different, whereby we will be seeing a fall, because our Swiss franc is about to fall. If you have to compare our USD Swiss franc, you see that our USD Swiss franc is actually pushing up massively, and our Swiss franc will be falling. So we would actually be having this for here. So, and since our JPY will be falling and our Swiss franc will be falling, then definitely we might not see much movement on our Swiss franc JPY. We will be seeing a drop, by the way, but we will not be seeing that much movement. So I personally would advise, stay away from Swiss franc JPY. If you want to take your trade, stay away, by the way. And if you want to take your trade, if you don't, stay away, try and stay away from our Swiss franc JPY. And if you want to take your trade, then fine, no problem. So try and short it, your Swiss franc, by the way. Now on our pound JPY, definitely we are going to be going bullish. We are actually going bullish on our Swiss pound JPY. We can see that our pound is actually going bullish. We saw a breakout above this area here. We are actually still going bullish, because why? Our JPY is actually falling. Any pair relating to it will actually be going bullish. So if our price can actually push up to test this area here, whereby our price has reacted, let me see here, market. If you have to take that push up, that should be giving us about 134 pips to grab, which is actually good and massive. So pound JPY, we are actually going bullish on our pound JPY. So I'm even going to be taking my buy position right now on my pound JPY. So when I finish my analysis, I'll be taking position on my pound JPY. So next one is our New Zealand JPY, still going to be going bullish. Let's try and hit here. We can see our price. If we have to see price reacted here, we can mark it as first breakout. We can see price giving us as our resistance, gives us as our resistance. We can mark it as a breakout, first breakout. Now we would want to be hitting here, pushing up. Since our price is breaking out, we are still going to be hitting here as our resistance area. That will be giving us about 71 pips to grab. So New Zealand JPY, we are going bullish on our 4-hour time frame. Same thing with our 1-hour time frame. You can see multiple break of structure upward, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We are seeing a retracement here. Then definitely we'll be seeing a breakout, continue bullish move upward on our New Zealand JPY. Now on our AUDJPY, same thing. Like I said, any pair relating to our JPY should actually be going bullish. Now on our AUDJPY, we are still going to be going bullish. Let's try and see if we can take out this our high liquidity area here. If we can take it out, then probably we might be seeing a fall, or probably try to opt out and take our profits here. That should be giving us about 90 plus pips, by the way. So on the 7th, well, probably on the 7th, when we hit this our area, when we hit this our liquidity area here, we can actually now see a fall. We probably can see a fall or a breakout above. So anyhow it is, try and take your profits here. And I'll say lastly, our EURJPY, same thing. We can see on our 1-hour time frame, we are seeing on a bullish trend, higher highs, higher lows. We are seeing higher highs with the higher low. So we are still going bullish on our 1-hour time frame. Same thing with our daily time frame. Like I said, any pairs relating to our JPY should actually be going bullish, by the way. So take your buy on our EURJPY. So that is my analysis for today. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.